Tax rules change quickly, and if your retirement software doesn't adapt, your plan can fall behind. So that's why we're comparing the best retirement tax planning software right now. From robust modeling and scenario testing to automation and real-time updates, we'll look at which tool helps you stay ahead and protect your retirement. Whenever I test retirement tax planning tools, I look at user reviews first, not just the marketing claims, but the real feedback that highlights frustration or limitations or anything that they think they face. Like one Boldin review came from this user who apparently left years ago because it lacked automated fidelity integration, and manual entry was a deal breaker for them. So yeah, that's a reasonable frustration, since most users just expect that seamless account syncing. But here, another current user replied, and they said that Fidelity connections now actually work fine. Like many platforms, connections can occasionally face issues, or maybe they're not fully integrated a few years ago, but Boldin's support typically resolves them quickly and updates it. And some positive reviews for Boldin are very specific, which suggests authenticity and use of their tools. One upgraded to PlannerPlus and praised the what-if scenarios for Social Security and Roth conversions, saying the tool helped him model complex real-life choices. Another, a 55-year-old who had relied on spreadsheets with his spouse, said that they switched because Boldin handled scenarios that their spreadsheets couldn't. So that's a strong testament to its practical value. ProjectionLab has its own feedback. One couple modeling rental property sales to pay off a mortgage felt unsure whether they actually set it up correctly and said that the search function wasn't as helpful as they hoped. When inputs feel unclear, it's harder to build confidence in the results, and that's an area where Boldin's structure interface may offer an advantage. Still, ProjectionLab earns praise for its transparency. One user noted that the trial unlocks full features, even though it doesn't save work, so that makes it more appealing to those who want to explore every option before paying and just want to see everything that there is. The reviews highlight the experience, but the real test is in the tools themselves, right? I can't just tell everything from what other people say. So I think the choice between Boldin and ProjectionLab more comes down to whether you want flexibility to build from scratch or have more structured guidance to make more confident decisions. Boldin has Monte Carlo analyses that run basically 1,000 simulations at once, showing the probability of your plan surviving both weak and strong markets. So instead of like this single projection, it provides this range of outcomes so you can see how resilient your plan really is. Boldin also includes the Roth Conversion Explorer, which identifies the most tax-efficient years to convert traditional IRA funds into Roth accounts. This level of detail can save significant taxes over a lifetime. Another standout is the Inherited IRA tool, which guides users through complex decisions about distributions and shows the long-term tax impact of each choice. And it turns what could feel overwhelming into this clear, structured plan. When it comes to spending, the Retirement Withdrawals Report doesn't just estimate how much you can withdraw, it shows which accounts to draw from first, like taxable, tax-deferred, Roth, and that helps you extend your savings and minimize taxes. For ProjectionLab, it offers excellent visualizations of annual tax liability and strong flexibility for modeling. It more so appeals to users who enjoy building detailed models and customizing every variable. The key difference here is ProjectionLab provides that raw flexibility and all those options, while Boldin adds more built-in guidance. For example, ProjectionLab lets you set withdrawal rates, but Boldin's withdrawals report recommends account order for the maximum tax efficiency. In practice, ProjectionLab is like a sandbox for advanced users, while Boldin serves as a strategic partner for those who want both power and direction. No tool is perfect, though. Boldin has a learning curve, like it may require more dedicated time upfront to input assets, debts, and income, but that depth is what delivers accuracy and confidence. For ProjectionLab, flexibility also comes at a cost, right? Like it requires a higher baseline of financial knowledge since there are fewer built-in guardrails to prevent incorrect assumptions. But both are professional-grade platforms. They're not the cheapest, but they're priced for the level of depth and analysis they provide, which potentially saves users thousands in taxes. Boldin offers a free version with solid functionality and competitively priced paid plans as well. ProjectionLab also follows a subscription model with trials that give full access before you purchase. If you want to check them out, check the links in the description for the latest plans, pricing, and discounts. We'll keep them all updated for accuracy. So, which is the best retirement tax planning software? If you want maximum control and enjoy building detailed scenarios from scratch, ProjectionLab may be the better fit. If you want expert-style guidance that shows not just the what, but the how, Boldin stands out as the stronger choice. Check the links in the description to compare them directly and decide which one best fits your retirement planning needs.